The first useful tools in Excel is Launch button. In the picture, we can see in the corner of the group there is button called Launch button. This Launch button is for more option. Some group have Launch button, but some don't have Launch button. For the second useful tools in Excel is Online template. There is option to search an online template based on the picture shown. After search, just click on the template we gonna use. Next, move up, down, left, and right. Based on the picture, we can click Shift Enter to move up. Then, click Tab to move to the right and click Shift Tab to move left. We also can use arrow on the keyboard. Move on to the next useful tools is Format Painter. Format Painter is to copy the format of the cell. It can be found on the Home tab in the Home ribbon in the clipboard group where it shows a paintbrush. Click on the Format Painter button. It will not copy the content, but it will copy the format on the cell. If part of our sheet have a format, then we want it the other part of sheet also have the same format, then we can use this Format Painter. In addition, Excel also have conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is color scheme where it evaluates the entire column. We can see what the valuable number on the table. It's on the Home tab where on the Style group. We can select a column or row. For example, we can use Color Scale where it evaluates the entire column numbers. The highest number will be shown in green color and the lowest number will be shown on the darkest red. This conditional formatting is our works as we can see the valuable number on the cell.